Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Sam Vadas, here to take you through this week's market action. Markets rallied this week as investors reacted to the latest tariff headlines, from a 50% hike on steel and aluminium imports from Europe to President Trump's call with China's Xi Jinping. Investors are still waiting for definitive deals. Despite this, the Russell soared 3%, while the Nasdaq rallied 2%. The S&P tacked on 1.5% and reached 6,000 for the first time since February. The Dow gained over 1%. 8 of 11 sectors also rallied this week. Tech and communications led the way, each gaining more than 3%. As for the laggards, consumer staples lost 1.5%, while utilities traded 1% lower. Among the notable downside movers this week, Tesla. The Mag 7 company muscled back some gains with a 4% rally on Friday after it sold off 14% on Thursday. The sell-off coming as the CEO Elon Musk stepped up his social media posts criticizing President Trump and the big, beautiful tax bill recently passed by the House. TD Cohen said the events between Musk and Trump clearly raised the degree of near-term uncertainty for Tesla. Shares of the EV maker are down 27% so far in 2025. Broadcom trading lower after posting earnings that slightly beat expectations. The AI giant posting 46% year-over-year AI revenue growth, but current quarter guidance of $15.8 billion fell in line with Wall Street's estimates. The CEO expecting AI semiconductor revenue to accelerate on robust demand for AI networking. Despite Friday's 5% sell-off, Broadcom shares still rallied more than 70% from its 2025 lows in April. Constellation Energy making headlines on Tuesday after signing a 20-year deal with Meta Platforms to provide 1.1 megawatts of power for the big tech giant's data centers starting in June 2027. Financial details surrounding the deal were not disclosed. Constellation Energy rallying over 10% on Tuesday before closing in the red. The company ending the week 2.4% lower, while Meta Platforms rallied almost 8%. Turning to next week, tech continues to dominate earnings, with Oracle, Adobe and GitLab expected to report. We'll also get earnings from Chewy, Victoria's Secret, JM Smucker and Casey's. Next week's CPI and PPI will also give investors a clearer picture on inflation. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Sam Vadas. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com. Have a great weekend.